In a month, female ovary releases only one egg. Then how are twins produced? Twins are two offsprings produced by the same pregnancy. Twins are of two types. They can be monozygotic or they can be dizygotic. Monozygotic twins are called identical twins and dizygotic twins means fraternal twins. Monozygotic twins will look alike, whereas fraternal twins will have some differences. They may be of different sexes also, and they are genetically different. So, twins can be either monozygotic or identical, meaning that they develop from one zygote, which splits and form two embryos. Or twins can also be dizygotic, meaning that each twin develops from a separate egg and each of the egg is fertilized by its own sperm cell. Monozygotic or identical twins, as you can see in the picture, occurs when a single egg is fertilized to form one zygote. One zygote, that's why it's called monozygotic, which then divides to form two separate embryos. Whereas dizygotic twins occur when two eggs are fertilized by two different sperms. Dizygotic twins are also known as fraternal or non-identical twins. So they can be of same sex or they can be of different sex. They are the most common type of twins. One, unlike monozygotic twins, dizygotic twins do not share the same genes. So they will be genetically different. Whereas the monozygotic twins will be genetically alike. Even though they are genetically alike, due to some environmental conditions, they may grow differently and behave differently too. In identical twins, case of identical twins, we can see ovary releases one egg and it has been fused by a sperm. Whereas in case of fraternal twins, both the ovaries becomes active and they release two different eggs in the same month. And they both will be fertilized by two different sperms. So there will be two different eggs and two different sperms. In identical twins, we can see after the zygote is formed, there is a cleavage in which there will be two embryos formed from the same zygote. That is why it's called monozygote. But the two embryos will now develop differently. In case of fraternal twins, there will be two different zygotes, and so they are called as dizygotic twins. Here we can see in identical twins, there are embryos, they are deriving nourishment from a common placenta in case of identical twins or monozygotic twins. Here also there are two embryos, but here in fraternal twins case, the two embryos are taking their nourishment from two different placenta, and so they are called as dizygotic twins. So here we can see the placenta. Placenta in case of one egg twin or identical twin. So there is a common placenta for both the embryos, but they develop independently from each other with their own umbilical cords. Whereas in the second picture we can see in case of fraternal twins, both are deriving nourishment from two different placentas.